Akkermansia was originally characterized as being of really low abundance in people with type 2 diabetes. This led researchers to hypothesize that maybe there was a connection between the low levels of this bug and the presence of metabolic dysfunction. They felt that if it was low in this population, that maybe if we boost those levels, we can actually improve these factors in the individuals. And remarkably, when you deliver Akkermansia as a probiotic or as a postbiotic, you see these really dramatic benefits with respect to metabolic health. And so when we tie it back to Solnul and we see those increases in Akkermansia and we see those improvements in free fatty acid metabolism, we're really able to connect the dots and put those puzzle pieces together, even from other work done in animals using resistant potato starch showing that it increases GLP-1. Really what we're seeing is now Solnul is influencing metabolic health via this next generation probiotic. Akkermansia doesn't feed on resistant potato starch. Akkermansia feeds on mucins, which are normally produced by the cells in the gut. So it's not feeding directly on Solnul. When you introduce Solnul, you're increasing levels of Bifidobacteria, and this is improving the composition of the microbiome, but it's also promoting those intestinal cells, the host cells, to secrete mucin. So we think it's really kind of a culmination of an ecological effect that's coming together.